A man does not prove his strength by conquering others, but by conquering the part of himself that begs for more sleep when the sun has already offered him light. Rise early and show your will is stronger than your comfort. The morning is the first battle of the day, and many men lose it before they even open their eyes. To wake early is to declare that your purpose is greater than your desire to remain at rest. Masculinity is not noise or rage. It is quiet discipline. The man who rises before the world awakens learns to master time instead of being a slave to it. His day does not command him. He commands his day. Do not wait to be motivated. The sun does not wait. The mountains do not wait. Men of strength rise early, not because it is easy, but because they refuse to live at the mercy of their weakness. Every dawn is a question. Will you rise and live deliberately, or sleep and drift into a life lived by accident? Masculinity is found not in pride or muscle, but in answering that question with action. You cannot expect to lead others if you cannot lead yourself out of bed. The man who wins the morning builds a fortress around his mind, unshaken by chaos, unmoved by comfort. True strength is not shown in loud victories, but in silent decisions. When a man wakes early, before anyone is watching, he proves to himself that discipline matters more than applause. The world belongs to those who prepare while others rest. Each early morning is an armor forged from discipline, unseen by most, but felt in every step you take throughout the day. Comfort is the greatest enemy of a man who seeks excellence. When you rise with the sun, you do not just begin a day. You rebel against everything that seeks to soften your spirit. A man who sleeps through the sunrise sleeps through opportunity. The early morning holds a silence where a man can speak with his soul and hear what he must become. Waking up early does not make you superior, it makes you sincere. It means you have chosen the harder path before the world even presents you with choices. The bed is warm, dreams are sweet, and the world is quiet. Yet the man of discipline rises, for he knows that greatness is not built in comfort, but in the unseen hours of effort. Most men wait for the right time to begin. The Stoic man rises early and creates the right time. He does not wait for inspiration. He wakes before it, prepares for it, and earns it. To wake early is to greet your responsibilities before they become burdens. The man who starts his day with intention does not run from life. He walks toward it with steady steps. You are not owed a meaningful life. You must rise and build it. The first brick is laid at dawn, when you choose discipline over desire, purpose over pleasure. Morning is not just a time, it is a test. If you cannot defeat the simple urge to remain in bed, how will you defeat fear, failure, or the weight of your own doubt? Masculinity is not aggression, it is restraint. Not control over others, but control over the self. Rising early is a quiet form of mastery, unseen, uncelebrated, but deeply powerful. While the world sleeps, a man can become who he must be. In the stillness of early dawn, he finds no distractions, only his will, his thoughts, and the work yet to be done. Do not boast of ambition, yet rise at noon. The man who wakes before the sun has already made his statement. He chooses action over excuse, and in doing so, earns the respect of his own conscience.